this place outside of Bangalore, which is like 3 to 4 hours away from Bangalore. It's called Shivana Samudra, and there are these huge waterfalls there that we're going to see today.
And on the way, I am also going to show you guys the views from the lush green countryside of Karnataka.
We have stopped on the way to drink some ganne ka juice.
We are now heading towards the Pyramid Valley Ashram. Pyramid Valley Ashram is a haven for all nature lovers and peace seekers. You can just come here and immerse yourself in nature, or you can sit and meditate. You can sit and individually meditate in one of the small pyramids, or you can go to the huge pyramid for a collective meditation session. We weren't allowed to shoot inside, but it is one of the most intense meditation experiences I have ever had in my entire life.
So it's Saturday and I am heading with my family to Wonderla, which is an amusement park that is a little outside Bangalore, and it's like 2 hours from our place. The crowd here is insane. So the dungeon ride was not good at all. It was really slow and the hosts were malfunctioning and it really wasn't good. I am hoping the other rides are better. We are heading towards the giant wheel and I'm going to show you the views from there. You guys just look at the view here. I'd been shooting and walking since morning. I was really tired and I decided to shut off my camera and just go relax in the water. With this, I'm just gonna end the Wonderla vlog. Bye bye.